Bruh, you
Woo!
kicking rocks back up on my car. That looked really good though. That looks sick.
Oh my God. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be continuing in the ZAutomotive Tazer series of videos, and what I have here are a set of buttons. So my car didn't come equipped with adaptive cruise control, so these buttons are pretty much blocked off right here. It's one solid piece. So what I have here are the ZAutomotive buttons, and depending on the year of your car, there are two different sets, A and B. My car is a 2020, so I went with the B set, and I'll show you on the website what that looks like. So basically this is going to allow me to install these three buttons on the steering wheel, and then I'm going to use the Tazer to actually program those buttons. I'm not sure what I'm going to program them to yet, but I'll show you the process of how to program it. So you can do things like add a light show, you can have a button put you into track mode, or use it for launch control, or even line lock. And so we should just need to pry this off, and it should just pop off, and then we just stick the buttons on. So shouldn't be anything too complicated, but let me get the right tool here, and then we'll go ahead and get that popped off. There we go. That's one way to do it. So I basically took the piece that was up there on the top here and then just matched the buttons up. So that should be the correct way. So we'll just start on one end and work our way across. So this should just clip into place right here. Yep. It's weird because, well, it's in there. You don't get a real positive click or anything when you put it in there. It just kind of slides in. So then we'll take this one and just push it in. Yeah, that one clicked pretty good. And then our last one, slide that in there. So, all right. Alright, so we're in audio mode, and all I should have to do is just hold the left button here and then press this. No function. Light show 1, light show 2. So this is just if I want a light show, which I don't. Rear camera, no. So I'm going to set this one to line lock right there. And this one here, the middle. So we'll set the middle one to launch mode. And then this one here, I think I'm going to set this one to track mode. Set that to track. So you can also program your sport button, because one of the settings actually kills this. So I have it set to track mode, but I'm going to switch this back to sport. So now it's set to sport. So I have line lock here, launch control in the middle, and then track mode set over here. So, and then we're going to start it up. And let's hit this, and there you see line lock. So let's test the middle button. Vehicle must be in drive. So yeah, it put it in launch mode, and now this should put us in track mode, and it did. And now finally I want to test the sport button, and that put us in sport mode. So yeah, we're good. Buttons are all programmed, And if I want to reprogram them, I can do that as well. At any time, like I said, you just hold down this left button, and whichever button you want to reprogram, that's how you do it. So hey, that's pretty much it, man. All right, so that was pretty easy. We got the buttons installed and programmed. It only takes a couple of minutes to do it. Definitely recommend doing this because these buttons are just sitting here not being used. So the fact that you can put them to good use makes it well worth it. So just another feature of the Tazer. I'm a big fan of this thing, as you guys can probably tell. For those of you who do have adaptive cruise control, you can still reprogram those buttons to do whatever you want it to do if you don't use adaptive cruise control. But if you don't have it, I recommend getting these buttons, man. Why not, put them to use. All right, so y'all know I gotta show you that the buttons work in actual use. So we're taking another trip to Mexico. I'm gonna show y'all line lock and launch mode. And on the steering wheel, you're not going to be able to see me hitting the button, but I'm about to put it in track mode. Right. Track mode. So track mode works. Looks like they opened this road back up here too. I don't know why she doesn't like coming down this road, man. She always thinks that there's going to be nails down here or something from the construction, but I figure if somebody else would have ran over it by now. I have Shamilia following me, so she went the other way. She's probably going to try to pass me up here. Yep.
Don't be going up that road.
Why?
I told you, I think that's where I got that nail in my tire at.
See, I told
from
you.
Them doing all that construction right there.
Somebody else would have ran over it by now.
Yeah, but I thought that about me too. And it was me that ran over it. So
you don't know.
And don't be trying to get in front of me neither.
All right.
Hey.
Really?
I'm just playing. You gotta get in front of me because I don't know where I'm going.
Straight. Just go down the road. Follow the signs to Mexico.
Yeah, okay.
Let me turn this thing back on here. Anyways, once we get to Mexico, I'll start filming again. I'm gonna have to set my other camera up and stuff, so there might be other people out here. I'm interested to see anyway because it's a Saturday night, so see if other people are coming to Mexico with us. Oops. All right, so put it in drive. Go ahead and hold down my line lock button. Let go of it.
Bruh,
Woo!
you kicking rocks back up on my car.
I mean, you knew what was going to happen.
That looked really good, though. That looks sick.
So y'all see it works. It's smoky in here.
It smoked in your car?
Everywhere.
Look at the ground behind your wheels. I can see it rolling out when you open the door.
Let me start this joint up, man, and open this darn. That was a serious burnout right there. I hope y'all
looked really good.
Yeah, they better hit that like button and subscribe because I'm burning up my tires, my brand new tires for these guys. So launch control, middle button. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video. I got Shamilia driving in front of me right now. Shout out to her for coming with me to help film this. My car still smells like burnt rubber on the inside. Crazy. I wasn't expecting that much smoke, man. I was leading into it though for y'all, so man. my tread. See how much tire I have left. I have to order 2 more. So that does it for today's video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give the video a like if you liked it. And check out my other videos on the Tazer. I made a playlist, so all the videos will be grouped together. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for your support. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.